Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. I worked with the Gemma to try if Gemma is very good, Gemma 4 is very good for Laravel development, and yeah, I was not impressed with that, but the Gemma 4 I used in that video was 4 billion, I think. So in this video, I'm going to use 31 billion. I am in this Gemma project, which I worked also with open code, the Quen 3.6. And yeah, we have a CRUD for posts, tasks, and tags. Now I'm going to use again Gemma but 31 billion to create article CRUD using Livewire. The same prompt, just change. I'm going to create an article CRUD now. Okay, so let's copy this and let's come here, and I'm going to open the open code. And here, as you can see, I have chosen to have a Gemma 4 31 billion, and I'm going to use the cloud. Okay, I'm going to paste that in and I'm going to hit enter. So create article CRUD using Livewire 4 single file component and use page components. I have added here for index, create and edit articles. Also on the open code, yeah, as you can see, I have brainstorming. I have added some skills. So explore the project context, offer visual campaign, ask clarifying question, propose approaches, present design and get approval, write design docs and commit. Okay, Laravel boost application. Okay, so has created docs, superpowers, specs and article CRUD design. I'm going to open a new tab and let's open this with a VS Code just to see. Okay, so docs, superpowers, specs, and here is the implementation of full CRUD, create, read, update, delete for articles using Livewire 4. Model is article, fields, title, slug, and the content. The Gemma asked me and I said I want the title, slug, and the content. Components, all components will be SFC located in resources, views, pages, articles. Now here is, and I'm going to show you. If we see up here, I suggest use Livewire 4 SFC component, the same as PostCRUD, and you can refer to that post folder because the model suggests me so recommended approach page-based SFC, but SFC is not like this index page, article index, and article create and also article edit, which are class components. So index page is going to have a title, articles, and features, paginated list of articles, new article button, link to create a page. Okay, and table, action, edit and delete. Good. Create page, create blade with title, create article, features, form fields, title and the content, validation, title and the content required, logic, generates slug using SCR slug. Good. Edit page, title and so on. I'm going to implement this. Just let's go back and let's say just implement. Okay friends, so we are back. Here I have successfully implemented the article CRUD using Livewire 4 single file components, mirroring the post-CRUD pattern. Okay, so database created the article model and migration with title, slug, content. Index page is inside this pages, articles, index, blade, PHP with Flux UI, table and delete functionality, create page with validation and automatic slug generation, edit page implementation with prefilled data and update logic, routing, added in the routes web PHP using Livewire component approach, and UI using Flux UI. All tasks are completed, and I liked this because if you see, first we have implement the article edit page, for example, then another agent is going to review the article edit page for spec compliance, then review the article edit page for code quality, add authorization to article edit page, and the same we had also for the others. You can see implement the create, review the article create page for spec compliance, and also for the index, for example. So first implement article database migration, review, code quality, and spec. And yeah, also here quality issue, fix the page quality issues. Now let's see if I come here and refresh, and first we don't have the link here. So I'm going to ask, I'm going to say add a link for articles on sidebar. And if I navigate the slash articles, just to see, here is the articles. Okay, we can go to our new article. If I say create, we have the validation, cancel, go back, use fake filler, create. Okay, created. We have the edit. We can update. Okay, and we can delete. Has added also the articles now. So we have CRUD the same we had also with the Cloud Code and the Quen 3.6, and I liked this, and now I am impressed with this model. I don't know if we have an empty project, this Gemma would do the same thing. I'm going to test because I like now this Gemma 4, which is 31 billion and is in cloud, and this is okay. But yeah, if we go to Ollama, you can see we have the usage here and weekly usage. Just about this project we have 11% used only by creating this article CRUD. So if you work with this for a long time, yeah, you are going to hit the limits, and the best way is to download, but you need to have a good machine. Okay friends, that's it all about this video. What I wanted to show you, a CRUD with the Ollama and Gemma for 31 billion. So that's it all about this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and I'm going to see you in the next video. All the best.